suspect vehicle last seen eastbound on Meadows Lane, a black older model Toyota Matrix 4-door, Nevada license plate 0.
Do you feel comfortable? We had things go wrong, we had things go right, but you just have to always rely on your partner, and we got through it. We just had to remind ourselves, like, this isn't real.
And it's also like preparing us for that field, so it's good to see like where we stand and what we need to practice on.
I'm gonna be on route, okay? Okay. Berlin, okay, tourniquet, okay, we're just gonna, Berlin is gonna...
What we have today is we have, through our collaboration with LVMPD, North Las Vegas, Henderson PD, CCSD PD, Community Ambulance, all of our amazing partners, we're able to stage a real life situation that allows our students to use the skills they learn in class and put them into practical application. So they'll walk away with, depending on their performance in class, they'll walk away with college credit, possible industry certifications.
It was definitely scary. My heart was really racing, but walking in there was like, it was a calm environment, but yet there was like so much going on because since it's my first time doing something like this, it was like really scary at first. I want to help people in the best way that I can, so either through policing, firefighting, or like EMS.
But as principal, this is it's a proud day. It's a proud day for us to watch our students perform, compete with confidence.